Hello everyone, welcome to HCO Career. Now we're back with the 6 courses from Udemy, and these 6 courses are totally free, nothing we have to pay here, and not belongs to a particular educational stream, because these 6 courses are from 6 different educational streams. I can say from computer science engineering, mechanical engineering, civil engineering, electrical engineering, and 2 more courses are there which are related to Scrum management and digital marketing. So don't miss this chance, because these 6 courses are totally free, nothing we have to pay here. And share the video to your friends and subscribe to our channel and like the video. So without delaying, let's get started. So this is the first course. You can see on the screen, digital marketing basics. If you are looking for this course, then this is the right course for you, because it is totally free and you can see the rating 4.2. 76,000 plus students already enrolled, and nearly 6 hours demanded course. You can see the learning part also, digital marketing basics, and clarifies some concepts on these subjects. And finally you will get some practical experience also on this subject. And I will show course content. See on the screen, introduction to digital marketing, various modules of digital marketing, practical digital marketing techniques, and many. So don't make delay, just click on enroll button if you want this course, then learn the course. You can see the second course on the screen, linear circuits, potential, flow, and resistance. See the rating also 4.5, very good, and totally free course. See the learning part also, fundamentals of electric circuits, voltage, current, and resistance. Don't miss this chance, just click on enroll button and enjoy the course. Third course is related to management. You can see Agile Scrum Fundamentals plus Scrum Master plus Scrum Certification, which means you will get certification also here. See the rating 4.2, and 15,000 plus students already enrolled. It is free for only 2 days. After 2 days it will be paid course. So don't make delay and just click on enroll button. Before going to click on enroll button, you need to copy the coupon and enter here. And I will show course content. You can see on the screen, history of Agile, Scrum framework, and many. See on the screen, it is totally 3 hours course. So you will get certificate also here. Don't make delay and just click on enroll button. Fourth course is related to complete software requirements engineering course for beginners. Here it is free for only 2 days. After 2 days it will be paid course. So don't make delay and just click on enroll button. You can see the learning part also here on the screen, and it is 4 hours course. You will get certificate also after the completion of your course. And see the course content, and don't make delay and just click on enroll button. You can see fifth course on the screen, related to robotics. If you want to learn about robotics, then you must enroll this course, because it is totally free, nothing we have to pay. And see the rating 4.4, 22,000 plus students already enrolled. And see the learning part, and I will show course content also. Totally 8 sections are here. You will learn section by section, section by section. Don't make delay, just click on enroll button and learn the course. Final course is related to civil engineering. You can see on the screen, SketchUp. It is very important course for civil engineers. Now it is totally free, 4.3 rating, and 18,000 plus students already enrolled, totally free. You can see the learning part also, as well as course content. So don't make delay, this is very useful course for civil engineers. Just click on enroll button and learn about SketchUp. You can find all the links in the description box. For more online free courses, subscribe to our channel, share to your friends, and like the video. Thank you.